I'm still wondering if someone came back from 1985 or not. So, anyways. What's up, yo? Sorry, Ben. And back in Chicago. Very eventful weekend for Father's Day. Got a wedding to go to, golf with my uncle and the cousins, and then Cup game on Monday. So I'm very thankful for my cousin picking me up. She's not so excited for me to be here.
It took me an hour to get to you.
I know, I'm sorry. It was just, you know, those damn planes and the damn terminals, how they don't, I don't know, anyways. But I'm just noticing that I look so young that I shaved, man. I don't like it. I know, man. I need to grow up. We're going to the new house, right? So my cousin's been so kind that every time I visit here, she actually got a bigger place. I have my own room now, right? So we don't no longer, where's the old one? It's like right, is anyone living there now? Not sure what happened that day, because what ended up happening was that I got super tired when I landed in Chicago. I didn't end up filming anything else. We went out drinking that night, and from there on, it was just a waste of a day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fast forward you guys to the very next day, which was the day of the wedding, where me and my cousin Tony wanted to head out to Chicago to do some sightseeing. So here we go. In Chicago for the city with my hero cousin Tony. They ain't looking right now, dude. Basically, the plan is today we are in the city chilling, and got a couple errands to run. We just went to Express, got himself a nice suit. What else? We got a shower, get ready for a wedding today, and then tomorrow's golf with my uncle, and then we got a Cub game on Monday. Yeah. Sorry you can't make it with us, man.
I know, it's okay though.
Okay, cool, man. So right now the plan is we're gonna go to Grant Park and fly the drone and see what kind of shots we can get. So
yeah, let's go do it.
Let's do it. Just got dropped off at Lakeshore Drive. Bicyclists here. Pretty exhausting, to say the least. So Saturday in Chicago. Yep. Finally found a spot where we can sit and chill. Really exhausted, but we got a freaking nice view.
We're on a mission from God.
You can tell there's like over there there's a storm, pretty bad, maybe heading our way. After a successful drone flight back to the hotel, time to rest up, relax, hydrate because it's super hot outside, and get ready for the wedding, right?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. Game time. All right, back in the hotel room. How's everybody doing today, huh? How are we doing? It is a very humid day here in Chicago, as you can tell. Look at the weather. It's very sticky. I know back home in California it's probably 115 degrees, but what would I pick? Humidity or extreme heat. Time to get ready for this wedding. The wedding is going to be held at the Joinery. I guess it's a small little warehouse with AC, I hope. It'll be pretty fun. Open bar and pizza. So let's do this. First things first, I need to get a suit on. So I need to change out of this outfit. I mean, look at this. I mean, I have a hat, some joggers, and a red shirt. This is not wedding attire. Like I said, if you don't look good, you don't feel good. And I am not feeling pretty good right now. So therefore, I need to change. Well, that doesn't work. I know the exact place where I need to change. The Chronicles of Narnia. See you next week. See, look at this. Look great. Nice tailored suit and ready to go. Tony, you ready? Let's do it. Waiting for the lift. And next time you see us, it'll be at the reception. What is up at the reception here with all the family members? All the family members. Hey. Yeah, what's up? All right. In other news, I think time travel is possible because. Oh, what's up, man?
Hey, Scott!
Tony, explain to me what just happened. What happened with Joseph's date?
She just asked me, hey, so, you know, I hear that you're expecting a baby. And I was like, what the fuck? When I'm 30 years old and I can't drink no more, that's gonna be me right there at a party. Apparently rave music, can you hold this please real quick? Apparently rave music isn't for us youngsters. Look at my aunt and uncle right there. They are getting it on to some dance music. Tell me what I have to do again?
Man, you just gotta lie, man. You gotta pretend that Anthony has a child.
I have to pretend that Anthony has a child?
So you're good. You're not a mom.
Yes!
You're getting.
That's terrible.
It's too late to go and explain it, right?
Who's drinking? Wait, is it a boy or girl? Is it a boy or girl? Is it a boy or girl? The extracurriculars are picking up now. This is the part of the vlog where everyone circles up and starts dancing, and yeah, I'm gonna call it a night, and thanks for watching.